This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Porsche Macan oil level. First, understand that your Macan relies on an electronic sensor, not a physical dipstick. For an accurate reading, the engine must be at its optimal operating temperature. This usually means driving for at least 20 minutes. Also, ensure your vehicle is parked on a perfectly level surface before you begin the process. This preparation is crucial for a reliable measurement. To get started, you'll need to ensure your Macan's engine is fully warmed up. Drive it for at least 20 minutes, allowing the engine oil to reach its ideal operating temperature. Once warm, find a flat, level surface to park your vehicle. This step is absolutely essential for an accurate oil level measurement. After parking, turn off the engine and wait for approximately 2 minutes before moving to the next step. Now that your engine is warm and you've waited a couple of minutes, turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, use the controls on your multi-function steering wheel to navigate through the instrument cluster display. Look for the oil level menu option. Once selected, the display will show you the current engine oil level, often represented visually. The instrument cluster will present your oil level, usually as a bar graph. A full bar indicates the oil is at its maximum safe level. If the display shows a low reading, add engine oil in small increments, perhaps 1/4 liter at a time. After adding, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then recheck the level using the same process. Never overfill your engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.